You are here for a reason. Something inside you led you to this message right now, when your heart needed it most. Few hearts will truly pause and listen today. You are still reading. That matters. Stop for a moment. Breathe. Let your heart feel what your mind cannot explain. Life can feel heavy. You wake up exhausted, even after sleeping. You smile for others while feeling empty inside. You fight to stay strong, yet some nights break you quietly. You ask yourself, why change feels so slow? You wonder if your prayers reach Him. These thoughts visit even the strongest hearts. They do not mean weakness. They mean you care. Allah notices the effort you hide. He sees the tears you wipe before anyone knows. He sees the patience you show when giving up seems easier. Silence from Allah is never rejection. Delay is never denial. Often it is protection, shaping you for what you truly need. You may feel behind while others move forward. Remember this, Allah never measures your worth by speed. He measures it by sincerity. What feels delayed to you is perfect timing in His plan. Sometimes your heart feels distant from peace. You pray, yet your mind is restless. You try to trust, yet fear returns. This does not make you a bad believer. It makes you human. Faith is not the absence of struggle. Faith is choosing Allah even while struggling. Think about the times things worked out in ways you never expected. Remember doors that closed, even though you begged for them to stay open. Later, you understood why. Some lessons only make sense after patience shapes your heart. Allah does not burden a heart beyond its strength. If you feel heavy today, it is proof that your heart is stronger than you realize. The test itself shows that Allah trusts your growth. Sometimes Allah removes people from your life to protect your future. Sometimes He removes comfort to bring you closer to Him. Sometimes He delays answers to teach you trust instead of control. Every step has wisdom, even when it hurts. You might feel unseen, unheard, or alone. You are never abandoned. Allah is closer than your thoughts, closer than your fears, closer than your next breath. When the world is loud, His presence is quiet and steady. This message is for you because your heart is ready to hear it. You are not forgotten. You are being prepared. What is meant for you will reach you, even if the path looks unclear. What is not meant for you will never harm you, no matter how tempting it seems. Keep making dua, even when your voice feels tired. Keep choosing patience, even when answers feel far. Keep trusting Allah, especially when the path seems uncertain. Your story is still unfolding. This chapter is not the ending. Relief does not always arrive loudly. Sometimes it comes quietly, as calm, clarity, and inner strength. If this message touched your heart, take a moment to like the video. Share it with someone who needs hope today. Subscribe for more reminders to strengthen your faith and your heart. You were guided here for a reason. Trust it.